let's take the shortcut today, go to Dharamshala. On the way, let's find some cafe and have breakfast. So this is what we will have for breakfast today. Good morning. DC Traveler will now show you the rain in McLeodganj, because why not? Just because it's raining doesn't mean that we have to sit in and not vlog. थोड़ा थोड़ा याद आता है. अब थोड़ा सा वहाँ देखो.
ये क्या है?
Have some.
It's good.
Do you want to buy this? It's not easy to sell. उनकी एक फोटो ले सकता हूँ क्या मैं? किसी को मिले तो आप ताशदले बोलते हो. अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ तो मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ? Again we are flaunting the Tibetan yak 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 t-shirt. यहाँ पे best Tibetan restaurant कौन सा रहेगा?
Tibetan restaurant.
You missed the place.
We missed the place and want to go back.
It's already 7 in the morning. Today is the first morning after we arrived here that it's raining. When I came here, the manager of the hostel, Salman, told me, and then many people also told me in the market, the people I met, that you've come here at the right time, because just till the week prior to this, it was raining every day, all day, and that's what I've been seeing on the internet as well, because I've been tracking the weather. I knew that it's a rainy season, and my friend Duk had also told me that this is not a good time to go because it rains a lot in Dharamshala. It's like second Cherrapunji of India. So I've been tracking the weather, and I was anxious because every day it was showing rain, heavy rain. So people have been telling me, you've come here at the right moment. I think we are always lucky. Everything always works out. Life is amazing that way. But speaking of everything working out, today it's raining. I've not faced much rain, although one day I was stuck in rain for about 30 minutes, and that's when I decided to buy this umbrella. But it's not like I could not do my vlogging because of rain. So since everything always works out, I said, even though it's raining now, let's go out and something good will come out of this as well. You just saw that I came out of the hostel, and this is the way down. These are I've heard 150 steps like these, and then we have dug up road which goes further down. So I've said in the earlier vlogs that this is like a trek in itself. You don't have to do any other trek if you come here. That's not a joke actually. This actually is like a trek. So now where we are going is I don't know where we're going. One thing that I think will be open right now is the tea stall where we met the Tibetan grandmas. So we will see if the grandmas are taking their walk today despite the rain, and we might greet them and then go to that this Himachali, not Himachali, it is, that man is from Uttarakhand, he told me. He's a very nice man. I'm a fan of him. I've been having tea at his tea shop for last couple of days, but since I don't have small change, man, again these leaves are very nasty. They bite you, and there are very fine thorns on them. If you touch them by mistake, they scratch against you. Then my fingers here, the other time, they bit me on my fingers. I I think yesterday morning, and they're still burning, even though I've taken the thorns out. Very very fine thorns, hardly visible. But yeah, where were we? Am I recording? Yes, I am. Now, where were we? Come back. Yeah, so I've not been paying this guy because I don't have small change. But now we've procured some small change from the hostel. And today finally we'll settle the bill. But day before yesterday when I went there, he was sharing the parathas that his wife made with the Tibetan grandmas, and since I was also joining them for the breakfast, I also had some paratha. And Tibetan grandmas were also saying that he is like a son to them. He's a very nice man, like a family. And then yesterday I didn't have small change. The day before yesterday, or yesterday, doesn't matter. And he was like, it's okay, you don't pay the money. And I'm like, you have to take the money. So he's a nice man. Anyways, what was the point of all this? I just wanted to paint a good picture for him because he is really a nice man. So we'll have some chat with him again. Continues to rain. So if it continues to rain, then I'm not sure if I'll go further up. We will probably have the breakfast at his stall. And if we have Tibetan grandmas also, then I think it'll be a good time. We don't have to do fancy stuff, extensive market hunt, look at happening things to make a good vlog, right? We can just go out in the rain in this beautiful location, meet with the cute grandmas and have some simple omelette and make our vlog. ¿Cómo hacer para no tenerte? Yay. Tú nadie como tú no es sustituto. It's still raining, man. Look at this one now. So that's where is Dharamshala, down there. I am not sure if you can see it. I don't know what this one is called. It must be McLeodganj. Yeah, this must be McLeodganj, because now we have a tea stall right there, and then you go further up and the market starts, and then you keep walking through the market and you reach the McLeodganj square. So this must be McLeodganj. I'm just telling you all this to familiarize with you with this place, because if you watch the entire series, then you will see me several times passing through all these streets, and I want to create this whole experience where after you watch the series, you feel like you've been here. And now the man is here right on time. It's just over 8. So I've been sitting here. There were these couple of guys. We were having a chat while waiting. Tibetan grandmas have not yet come. ये लो चाचा, आज लेके आया मैं चेंज। नहीं अभी ले लो आप। 3 चाय हो गई है। आपके पास चेंज नहीं रहेगा तो रखो, फिर यही नहीं चलेगा। ब्रेकफास्ट में जरा आगे जाके करता हूँ। हाँ, अब यहाँ है तो फिर टिबेटन खाएंगे। हाँ, ले रहा हूँ। The rain had stopped, but again it started raining just as I'm getting ready to go. But we have the umbrella, so we will go and have some Tibetan breakfast now.
ये क्या चीज़ है सर?
ये कैमरा है।
एक वीडियो चाचा की बन गई।
चाचा तो है वीडियो पे ऑलरेडी। हाँ, चाचा आ चुके हैं वीडियो पे। चलो चाचा, मिलते हैं बाद में। Oh, I'm forgetting my umbrella. I keep forgetting things here. मुझे लगता है कुछ तो भूल के जाने वाला हूँ मैं आपके पास। So we were hoping that the Tibetan grandmas would come and then we would have a chat here or eat something as well. but looks like the rain is not planning on stopping. So then if the grandmas are not coming, then I I don't want to eat here. I'd rather go and have a Tibetan breakfast. So I'll have Tibetan breakfast now. It's past 8, so at least some of the cafes may be open, or if not, we might walk down to Dharamshala, because we are on the 4th day today and we've not yet gone to Dharamshala. It'll be a nice trek. Even though it's raining, it's not very heavy. And yesterday I also learned that there's a shortcut to Dharamshala. So the way from where we came from the main road you must have seen in the very first vlog of the series. That's about 9 kilometers. So apparently we walked from Dharamshala till McLeodganj for 9 kilometers. But yesterday I learned from this chacha that there's a shortcut also which goes from these hills, and that's about 4 to 5 kilometers if I remember correctly. So let's take the shortcut today, go to Dharamshala. On the way, let's find some cafe and have a Tibetan breakfast. Let's do it.
Do you pas di deux pas menado Simdi la kanye do nado So adi shema to nado Mukpa di nang lama timdo Oh 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 Do 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 chena do Rara so so sushi venela do 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 chena do Rara so so kishi venela do
We've arrived now at this small cafe, very close from Dharamshala. We're not going all the way down, but we just found this cafe. So we'll have our breakfast here. Now the natural light is coming from there, so I think this is a good place to sit down. Let's have some Tibetan breakfast. Let's see what they have. What would you recommend for breakfast?
Breakfast,
Some Tibetan dish.
we have only one buffet.
Only buffet?
Yes.
Is that Tibetan food? No? So,
Roti, we have
Do you-
roti or puri.
okay. Do you have any Tibetan dish right now?
Right now,
No. But this is a Tibetan place,
Yes.
right? Okay. But you have only roti and
we will
puri
get after 10.
after 10.
Yes.
Well, let me look at that then. I can have that as well.
This aloo, guchi,
Alright, so in buffet I can take anything out of this,
Yes.
right? Okay, I'll have one buffet. Let's have a buffet. But as you can see, this is a Tibetan place. But any reason why you don't sell Tibetan food early in the morning? It takes time to prepare. Okay, okay.
You will get butter tea.
I'll get butter tea. Alright, so we'll have something Tibetan fine. So we'll have butter tea and then buffet. Let's take the buffet. Okay, so this is what we will have for breakfast today. There is one roti, which is slightly different from what we used to. It's very thick. I think Tibetans make roti like this, maybe. It's different in taste. And then we have potato here, which is also bright orange in color. So that's interesting. Let's taste some potato. Potato actually is always tasty. And then we have some scrambled egg. What do you call this thing? Roti?
Yes.
Or something else? Roti. So it is roti. It's just made differently. I was thinking because it's thick and not the type of roti that I'm used to. Maybe called something else, but no. Now we'll break the egg. Where do we keep it? The shell. Let's take another plate for the egg shells. In Dharamshala also, Tibetan food keeps eluding us. I keep trying to go and find Tibetan food, but we run into situations like this when we're too early, or we're looking for something which is not very popular like Tsampa. Although we did get lucky with Tsampa. Did you watch that Tsampa vlog? I made my Tsampa myself. I'll put the link in the description of Redeem Cafe. It's here as well. Watch it after this one. Do you have some red chutney? Yeah. Now let's add some Tibetan red chutney. Oh, we have it here as well, I think. No, that is salt. Yeah, chili. I like that chili chutney. This is how the joint looks like, guys. It's beautiful actually, from outside also. You have not mentioned the name of the cafe in English or any other language, right? So what is it called?
It's the Chosum restaurant.
Chosum.
Yes.
Chosum restaurant. Okay. The name outside is only written in Tibetan. Chosum restaurant. So if you want to come here, then on the way from Dharamshala to McLeod, you will find it on the left. Now we have the chili here. Now it's getting interesting. Let's do the spice meter. Oh, we forgot the favorite moment. Let it go now because I've started eating and there's already some mess. Or we can't let it go. Let's do it. So this time you saw your favorite moment with some mess. Bring up the spice meter. It's 4. Not spicy at all, but flavorful nonetheless. So now let's put some potato in the roti and this chili, which again has a little Szechuan type taste, so slightly different from other chutney that we had. Every Tibetan place that I go to, there will be slight difference in the way they make their chutney, which is a good thing. So we get to try different flavors, different tastes. Although we're not having Tibetan food right now, this potato also is a good change. I like potato. I love potato. And after this walk from McLeodganj, we've been walking for about what time is it now? It's 9:41. We left at around 7. So although we were sitting at the tea stall for some time, we walked for at least an hour. And my dinner yesterday was early dinner because I made that dinner vlog. So I'd gone out around 6. So that was an early dinner. I was hungry since then. So potato is a good, much needed source of energy right now. And we have protein, and we have complex carbs, everything we need. And of course, the butter tea is also here, which we will have after we finish eating. It's still kind of hot, so we'll wait for some time. But I think this vlog ends here. It was a nice walk from McLeod to Dharamshala through that beautiful path, and this breakfast was a pleasant change. We came looking for Tibetan breakfast. We found some other breakfast which turned out to be equally good. Now we have today and tomorrow to explore. We're planning to have some Tibetan lunch today, and let's see. Again, tomorrow we'll have some food. See you in the next one. Bye bye.